Hello guys, so I am here with my Myntra and Nykaa shopping worth more than 10,000 rupees during the Myntra and the Nykaa sale. So let me just quickly show you what all I have got. And this time I have purchased all the viral products which I have seen going on the internet, on the influencers I follow. So let's quickly get into it. So the first product I have got is this Plumka Oso Pistachio perfume. This is said to be the dupe of Kayali's Pistachio Gelato, and this smells really good. This comes with a this comes within a very beautiful packaging. Just look how classy this is, and it smells just like pistachio. Here I have is this Foxtails Hula Hoop Moroccan Silk Exfoliating Body Wash. I have seen a lot of people talking about these. It comes in multiple variants, but this is the one I have seen people talking about. This contains 2% exfoliating boosters with salicylic acid and zinc PC. This is the Dot & Key Blueberry Hydrate 12% Barrier Face Serum. This comes with 7-ceramide and niacinamide. The packaging is really beautiful. I have tried this niacinamide range of moisturizer and I totally love it. This particular product boosts the skin barrier of your skin, gives a good nourishment, gets quickly absorbed and helps to repair the skin. Next we have this Victoria's Secret's body mist. This is a full-size bottle and there were amazing discounts on Victoria's Secret. So this is their vanilla and dreamy fragrance. This is a very cupcake-like vanilla fragrance, perfect for the day and the night time as well. If you love vanilla fragrance, this is the one you can go for, and this is long lasting as well. Let me just quickly wrap up with all the fragrances that I have got. So the next one is this René Red Noir. I have heard a lot about this one, and I thought to give a try to the mini version of it. This is very travel friendly and that perfect date night dreamy kind of vibes fragrance, which is a very strong, very feminine, which you can carry on your date night in the purse as well. Next I have is these two lip tints. These have gone super viral off lately. The first one I have here is this Indie Wild lip treatment, dewy lip treatment, and then second one I have here is the Tipsy Beauty, and this is in the shade Raspberry Lollipop. This is the Tipsy Beauty one. This gives me more of a packaging like a Charlotte Tilbury, and if you will just open it, it have this pointed metallic point which gives you a very soothing, cooling effect. And if I talk about the tint or the color, just look how beautiful this is. This one I have got in the clear color. I mean, there is no color or tint to it, but this is really actually a treatment for your lips. So this, it comes like this as a plain packaging. It has a tube like this, but this, if you apply it in the night, this gives you a really good nourishment throughout the night, and even when you will wake up in the morning, your lips will feel very hydrated. With this, we come to an end of this video. I have got all these products in the Myntra and Nykaa sale at a really good discount. If you want to get the link of any of the product, please comment down in the section below and I will share you the links of the same. And I will see you super soon in another video. Till then, bye-bye.